'cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How to create UK Ltd in Amazon business. There are extra factors to take into account when setting up a UK Limited company, Ltd, for an Amazon business because of the platform's unique selling requirements. Here is a detailed how-to for creating a UK Limited company for an Amazon business. Research and business plan. Prior to beginning, work with a business plan that details your target market, goods, pricing strategy, and sales channels. You should also carry out extensive market research. Select a name for your business. Choose a distinctive name for your limited business. Make sure it fits your brand and is appropriate for Amazon sales. Obtain a company registration. To register your UK Ltd with Companies House, adhere to the instructions provided in the preceding response. Make sure to provide the addresses of the directors and shareholders as well as the registered office. Create a business bank account. Once your company is registered, open a business bank account in the name of your company. This will keep your personal and business finances separate. Register for VAT. Depending on your expected turnover, you may need to register for VAT with HM Revenue and Customs, HMRC. Amazon operates its VAT services through the VAT Services on Amazon (VSOA) program, which allows you to register for VAT in multiple European countries where you're selling. Set up an Amazon seller account. Create a seller account on Amazon's platform. You can choose between an individual or professional account based on your sales volume and requirements. A professional account gives you access to additional tools and features. Product listing and inventory management. Create listings for your products on Amazon. Optimize your product titles, descriptions, and images to maximize visibility and sales. Manage your inventory effectively to ensure you meet customer demand. Fulfillment options. Decide whether you want to fulfill orders yourself, merchant fulfillment, or use Amazon's Fulfillment by Amazon (FBA) service. FBA allows Amazon to store, pack, and ship your products, providing convenience and scalability. Compliance and regulations. Ensure compliance with Amazon's policies, including product listing guidelines, pricing policies, and customer service standards. Stay updated on changes to Amazon's terms of service and marketplace policies. Marketing and promotion. Implement marketing strategies to drive traffic and sales to your Amazon listings. Utilize Amazon advertising services such as sponsored products, sponsored brands, and sponsored display to increase visibility. Monitor performance and feedback. Regularly monitor your sales performance, customer feedback, and reviews. Address customer inquiries and issues promptly to maintain a positive seller reputation. Continuous improvement. Continuously optimize your product offerings, pricing strategy, and marketing efforts based on data analytics and customer feedback. By following these steps and staying proactive in managing your Amazon business, you can build a successful venture within the UK Ltd structure. Additionally, consider seeking advice from legal and financial professionals to ensure compliance and maximize your business's potential.